Hi everyone. So in this video I have to explain about addition theorem in probability. First we hear the word addition theorem, we have to immediately remember these two formulas for basics, because most of the exams like government exams or CPCAT, we have generally see that they ask questions based on these two formulas only. For three events also most not likely asked. They only asked repeatedly about these two events, probability of A and B. For better classification, I also draw A and Venn diagrams for these events. Okay, I have to check it once. So for first of all, why we have to use addition theorem in probability? Because it can handle mutually exclusive cases. Okay. What is mutually exclusive cases means if events are said to be mutually exclusive, if no two or more of them can happen simultaneously in the same trial. Understand? No two or more of them can happen simultaneously in the same trial. For better one, I can take one example. If a coin is tossed, both head and tail are mutually exclusive events. Why? Because they no head and tail are happen simultaneously. If a coin I tossed, the outcome will be head or tail, but not two at a one toss. So that's why we have to use mutually exclusive cases for this addition probability. Okay, so which is very important. The addition theorem is based on mostly mutually exclusive cases. So first of all, I have to solve one example problem. Generally, one card drawn from pack of 52 cards. We know the cards are 52. Total cards in a pack of is 52. From 52, we can draw one card. Find the probability of king or heart. Okay. First of all, we have to find probability of king. Total how many kings? 4 kings. They have in pack of cards they have 4 suits. Heart, diamond, club, spade. In diamonds, they have one king. In spades, they have one king. In club, they have one king. Spade also have one king. Every suit consists 13 cards. This 13, 13, 13, 13. Total 52 cards. They starts from the 32 cards are A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Joker, Queen, King. These are the 32 cards which are in every suit to 4 times. Every card is in 4 times in total 52 cards. Okay. For better knowledge, I also explain one thing. Joker, Queen, King are the face cards. They are 4, 4, 4. They are total 12 face cards in 52 cards. Okay. And we have to move into this our question. Probability of king. They have total 4 kings. 4 by total cards 52. That is equal to 1 by 13. Or we have to choose 1 by 14. Okay. Probability of heart. Hearts are total 13 cards. Heart, heart in red color. Okay. Total 13 cards consist in heart, which is the probability 13 by 52. That is 1 by 4 of these two. Okay. We have to find probability of K king intersection H. So for a heart there will be only one king. So which is the intersection, which is a common chord in heart and related to the king is the only one. So that's why we take probability is 1 by 52. So find king or heart. If we noticed or in the question we use union. So I use probability of king union head is equal to probability of k plus probability of head minus probability of king intersection h. Then probability of k is equal to, so all are in the same, taking same values for the below one. 4 by 52, 13 by 52 plus 1 by 52. 13, 4, 17 plus 18. 18 by, sorry, minus 1 by 52. That is 17 by 52 minus 1 by 52. We get 16 by 52. Okay, if it is calculated or not. 16 divided by 52 you can get, that is 4 by 13. Then the final answer probability of king union heart is equal to 4 by 13 is the required answer. Okay, we have to move to the next question, that is probability of ties checked is equal to 0.12. Probability of oil checked is equal to 0.29. Probability of both is equal to 0.07. Find probability of tires or oil. So solution, they already given all values. Probability of tire is equal to 0.12. Probability of oil check is equal to 0.29. Then probability of tire intersection oil for both is equal to 0.07. They are asking probability of tire union oil is equal to how much? Simply we have used the formula 0.12 plus 0.29 minus 0.07. How much? I can calculate it. 0.12 plus 0.29 equal to 0.41 minus 0.07, we get 0.34 minus 0.07, we get probability of tire or oil equal to 0.34 is the required answer. Okay, we have to move to next question. In a class, 40% passed in physics, 50% passed in chemistry, 30% passed in maths, 10% passed in physics and chemistry, 8% passed in chemistry and maths, 12% passed in physics and maths, and 5% passed all three subjects. They are asked to find percent passed at least one subject. Okay. So question you read once. %40 passed in physics, 50% passed. So I can call as probability of physics is equal to 40%. Probability of chemistry is equal to 50%. Probability of math is equal to 30%. Probability of physics and chemistry is equal to 10%. Probability of chemistry and math is equal to 8%. Probability of physics and math is equal to 12%. Probability of physics, chemistry and math is equal to 5%. Okay, so which is based on three events, that is we have used probability of A union B union C. Second formula we have to use that. First of all I write formula. So probability of, I'm not writing formula due to space is limited. So I have to remove some this question. Okay, probability of physics plus chemistry plus maths is equal to probability of physics plus probability of chemistry minus plus probability of maths minus probability of intersection plus probability of C intersection mass plus probability of intersection mass plus probability of physics intersection chemistry intersection mass. So which is the required formula? How to substitute it? 40, all are in percentage, so we have to don't change that. 40 plus 50 plus 30 minus 10 plus 8 plus 12 plus 5%, that is equal to 40 plus 50, 90 plus 20, that is 120 minus 20 plus 30, 30 plus 5, then we get 120 minus 30, that is 90 plus 5 is equal to 95%. Probability of physics chemistry and maths 95%. Which is the required answer. So we are continuing next part. Okay.